Hey Star Wars fans, our FlyGuy.net HD widescreen review of another one of these Captain Rex Lego alarm clock. Got a few in these in my collection now, and I can't say no, it's Lego. I love Star Wars Lego. So I've taken this one out of the box already just to kind of just show you the packaging that's there with. So we'll look at the rest of it in a minute. Standard box, pretty much showing the Dark Side Rex packaging. Whoops. Why is that not focused? There we go. So that's pretty much it on that side. There's really nothing else. A bit of the Lego print on the box. These aren't actually made by Lego, they're made by a different company. You can see the Click Time, Newcastle upon Tyne even I should say. And they're pretty much the basics of the set itself. It's an alarm clock. You set some basic settings on the back of the figure, put in some batteries, and off you go. And you can snooze and whatnot, and that's, well, it's an alarm clock, really not a great deal else to shout about it, but that's pretty much it. Now, I've reviewed in the past quite a few of these, including a Stormtrooper, good old Boba Fett, and even Darth Vader, so I just thought we'd give you a look at this guy. Great kind of detail again. I'd love if they would make this with a chest plate, just basically give us a large Lego minifigure. You know, it's not really a minifigure, but you get what I mean. So, sadly, no removable helmet. That is the feature that you push down and press down in the morning when you just can't be asked going to work, or to defeat the separatists, whatever you want to do. But and this is just a sticker that's on his chest plate there. I haven't actually pulled the plastic out the back. You can pull Captain Rex, and that allows you to put the batteries in and so forth. But I probably won't put the batteries in yet. I'm just going to display this guy, but there we go, just a sticker, and really nothing else a great deal I can tell you. Some nice detail on it. It looks exactly like the Captain Rex Lego minifigure we've got. This is a removable piece, the rangefinder, which plugs into the side. There we go, and allows it to work and whatever. No backpack or no blaster or anything like that, but working kind of arms and limbs. He sits down. It looks like a Lego minifigure, even though he's absolutely huge. And the hands turn, and that's about it. The head does not turn, but that's it. Now, I managed to pick this up online. This was from BarnesandNobles.com, BarnesandNoble.com even, who managed to ship internationally for bargain prices, like $12 shipping. So I managed to pick this up, I think it was about $25 plus $12 shipping. So pretty cheap for us. Now, I know you guys in the USA who get everything way cheaper than we do. You'll probably be able to pick this up in Targets and Walmarts and even some other stores. Probably about $24, probably $20 in some places. But they're very low cost, good fun. And if you're younger, much younger than me, you probably love one of these around your room as a kid. I'm sure if you love the Clone Wars, they're great kind of pieces to add around, or I don't know, add somewhere in your desk or cabinets like mine behind. So. That's it. That's Captain Rex, a Lego Maxi figure, alarm clock, and just above Rex's head. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't before. But let us know what you think. Comments below, or as usual on facebook.com/flyguy.net, and join us for more reviews soon. Cheers. Bye.